Alright, today we have a 2018 Camaro SS coming in for a muff delete and some tips. Look at this crazy wrap on here. It's like a chameleon looking reflective chrome. It's pretty sick. It's probably one of the craziest wraps I've seen on a Camaro. And I've seen some crazy wraps. Right now we have Matt welding up the tips right now. We got these 4.5-inch carbon fiber tips from G Exhaust. You can see Berto's holding the other one over there. The muffler delete is pretty simple. All you do is remove the muffler. Let me see where they put that muffler. Muffler is no longer here with us. But yeah, so what you do is just chop right here, chop right there, run some pipe, put a little bend in it, and throw some tips on there. Get in this car the sound it needs. Factory, it sounds alright, but it's a Camaro and it's an SS. You want it to sound good, you want it to sound different. You don't want to be stock, you know, especially with a wrap like that. It looks like he went to another shop and got a secondary delete. Then you go down to the stock system, stock X pipe. You can always upgrade that as well too. And we're just refabricating that muffler delete and running some tips on there. Waiting outside, we have a wide body charger. It might be a scat pack, it might be a, you know, wide body kit. We never know these days. You know, these chargers are just coming in like freaking left and right, debadging them so people think it's one thing, think it's the other. But it looks like a V8 to me. I mean, it has the Brimbos in the front. Let's see what I got in the back. I mean, SRT wheels in the back. Oh, the Brimbos in the back. So it could be a scat. Yep, scat pack. There it is. Scat pack waiting to go up. He might have the infamous Dodge valve rattle. He said he came through because every morning he starts up his car, he hears a little rattle, so it could be the Dodge rattle. It's like infamous with these cars. They just always rattle after you get to like 30,000 miles. Those valves just go bad. Come on, Dodge. And on the front lift, we have this brand new Range Rover SV Edition 1 2025. Carbon fiber tips, by the way. Carbon fiber wheels, carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber front grille, carbon fiber bucket seats. But it was up in Colorado and he backed into a boulder that was in the snow that he couldn't see because, you know, the snow covered it. You see, I don't know if you can tell, but that's a whole new bumper, and the rest of the body, you know, is covered in the snow residue. But I'm going to show you a little tour of that car when it comes down as well too. It's pretty sick, pretty clean. It's also a V8 twin turbo up in there, cuz. So the Camaro is all done, looking clean from the rear end. Got the carbon fiber tips in there. This wrap is crazy. He also has a carbon fiber wing, so it matches, and carbon fiber side mirrors matches the carbon fiber tips. This car, I mean, it's a Camaro, but if this drove past me, it's breaking necks, man. This wrap is insane. What do you guys think? Chameleon wrapped Camaro SS with a G exhaust carbon fiber tips. Let us know in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on everything, man. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Guys, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more crazy cars, nice sounding cars, and want to know what your car would sound like with an exhaust modification. Also, if you have any questions, just call us. If you have any questions, just pull up to G Exhaust Davey or G Exhaust Oakland. And yeah, that's a wrap. Range Rover SV Edition 1 is done. Look at those brakes, boy. This car is pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie, if I had to buy a Range Rover, I think this and the SVR would be the only like Range Rovers I were to get. sounds badass. I'm about to show you guys the interior, the specs. This is like a $200,000 Range Rover right here, man. It's pretty clean. I mean, it's dirty, but it's clean. If you could see under the dirt, you got a carbon fiber front grille, carbon fiber hood, right? Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber wheels, carbon fiber on the inside of the doors. The seats are sick. They're also carbon fiber as well. Look at that. Sheesh. Carbon fiber seats, pretty sick. Carbon fiber on the back doors as well too. This car is pimped, man. And soft closing doors. You know the vibes. Got the full moon roof. Sick. This is all brand new. This is 2025, right? Let's see. 2024. Pretty sick. SV Edition 1. I mean, hey guys. This Range Rover is like probably the top Range Rover that they have out right now. With a V8 twin turbo carbon fiber hood. Thing is sick. And but yeah, that's pretty much it.